In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in Stripe. So the first step is to simply log in into your account, and on the left side you have this section which is products. So we're gonna have to click on billing and then simply go to invoices. Then what we're gonna have to do is simply click on create, and then here we're gonna have to simply add our company name and then simply click on add name. Now here we're gonna have to simply add our customer and then simply select the currency. So basically here we're gonna be able to select the currency we're trying to sell. So here, as you can see, I have euro because my account is in euro. Now here we're gonna have to simply select the items that we are selling. Now as you can see here, we can simply click on product catalog to simply get redirected to our products. So basically here we're gonna be able to create new products. Now once we do that, we're gonna have to select it. Now here we're gonna have to choose the payment type. So here we have, as you can see, request payment or auto charge customer. So you're gonna have to select this one. Now here we're gonna have to simply go and click on open branding settings, and here we can simply add our logo and then change the colors here, as you can see, of the landing page, the payment page. So basically if you want to change those, you can simply do that from here. Now we're gonna have to simply, so here we have additional options. So once we finish, basically we're gonna have to simply click on send invoice and our customer will receive the invoice. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.